so damn fast. Before even knowing where we really at. Guess I never should have let you in. So
Hello everyone. Today we are going to do what's in my village bag. This bag is known as Ghana must go bag. Yeah. It's a long history. Can somebody tell us the history? Can you help me tell the history? Because if I start talking the history of why this bag is called Ghana must go, we will not live here today. So let's get straight to the point. This is my bag that I keep in the village with all the kili things, you know. I have an audience here that making me shy. So all my kili things, so all the things that, you know, I don't need elsewhere, I only need them in the village. So I leave them in this bag. So usually when I put them here, I lock it up. So go in Aku here. Aku wallet. That's my video. So I put them in here, lock it up. So this time I locked it and literally threw away the key. I don't know where the key is. So someone, let me rewind to when someone helped me to cut it open. This is what they mean when they say lock you up and throw away the key. Yeah, so somebody is going to help me cut it. See it? In less than 10 minutes. What is in my bag? What's in my bag that I leave in the village? In fact, that's a good video idea. Yeah, let's start making it. Let's see what is inside this bag first. Oh yeah, come over here. Let me bring you over here. So let's see what is in this bag, shall we? This bag that they locked like a bank vault. Hey, look at my trousers and like my shorts. Yeah, the shorts I wear to go to the site. Yeah. Look at it, my jean shorts. And look at my bum shorts. The one that I used to do at Trison. Let me raise this. Cut off my hair. I use this one to do a try. Yeah, you know, when I come back during the hot weather, I sleep in this kind of thing. Another short, you know, I come here to work, so it's always like short, jeans. Another short. Okay, this one is it's all three quarter short. It's all three quarter short. And this one is spaghetti. Yeah. Spaghetti hand, because it can be quite hot in the village sometimes. It depends on the season when you come back. Like around Christmas, it can be hot as well as very dry. Yeah, so this is you need this in the village so that breeze will be entering everywhere. Okay. Another spaghetti. Another spaghetti hand. You see a lot of these things here. Then it's my trademark t-shirt, you know, like this one I'm wearing. I like these kinds of t-shirts. So I left this one last time I came back. So I can actually come back here without carrying anything. Yeah, because I have clothes here. See this one? T-shirt, simple t-shirt. Has a stain here. Yeah, perfect for the sides. And then, which one? Oh, is this where this my nice blouse, my favorite blouse is? You know, sometimes you keep things so in places and you forget where you kept them. So this is where this blouse. I love this blouse so much. I'm sure you have seen it in one of my videos. Yeah, this thing is like bend down select now. I'll click and wake up. See this wig? I saw this wig online and it looks so good. You know how pictures are, it looks so good, and I decided to buy it because it will not be touching me, you know. I don't like all these wigs that touch me here. I like braided wig because I can pack it up, but all these other Brazilian, Peruvian, Indonesian, all those wigs, Indian, I don't like them just because I don't like anything touching me here. Like, So I bought this one to make it easy, but the thing looks like a hey, one way. The thing this week doesn't look anything like what it was looking like in the photo where I saw it that I bought it. It's cheap anyway, so I'm not so mad. But yeah, if anybody has a short wig that is like original wig, not this plastic, please let me know in the comments where I can buy it. Yeah, because yeah, I just want something here and here a little bit, but this one it doesn't. All the time too much. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Just the obele. Anyway, moving on. So I have this traditional one in case my mother-in-law drags me somewhere. You know, they don't allow trousers in this village. If my mother-in-law drags me somewhere, I have something to wear so that I can look like a good wife. So that they will not send me back to Agro. Where is it? Here, this is the blouse. It looks at trials off shoulder. This is the blouse. And then this is another traditional, you know, wife material kind of fashion. 6 pieces, yeah. So that if they say we want to go and see one person, you know, like a senior citizen, you just wear this and be looking like a good woman. And then this is the blouse of that one. See, looks quite nice, very nice. Makes it look like Amaria. And then this one, you see a lot of all these simple tops here because I wear them to site. I just don them. They're very easy to wash as well. And then see my scarf, yeah, because sometimes I tie my scarf. Like when I'm going to the site, it can be quite dusty there, so I'll be looking like a person doing messing, or a person, what do you call it, miners. I'll look like miners. So this one I can tie it like this when I'm going to the site to protect my hair from too much dust. Okay, and then another small top. You see a lot of these small tops. Bend down, select, bend down, select. God, last grade. This is a scarf that comes with a top. The top is in here. This is the top. Off-shoulder top. I love this top a lot, so I have to keep all these good wife material fashion stuff here. And then this is another top that I like. Casual tops that I wear at home. I have a lot of these. Then another one. Some of these clothes, when I went to wear and Spain, and I'm at home. I'm never back. I had it yourself. You man, I'm not nana. Always see who really can live, so I don't put any in. So this one is another off shoulder. Another one. This one is like a gym top. You know, when you wear these things, you'll be getting enough breeze. Yeah, you need it. This one is trouser. I rarely wear trouser like this kind of long thing for staying at home because it can be quite hot here. Eh? It can be quite hot, even though there are a lot of trees, but it's the kind of humidity that is killing here. Another kind of gym top. Yeah. Another top. Hey, all these clothes, I'll be looking for them. I won't see them. This one. These kinds of tops, so easy, ready to wear. And then this sponge. This sponge, I bought it the last time I came back to use, and look at what it has. I don't know if this is lace for clothes. You see this thing? this shiny plastic thing here. This thing will nearly cut all my body. Like I'll scrub and scrub and I'll have lines on my body. I don't know why they use this material to make. I don't know if you saw it well. You see that here? You see these round things? Yeah. To give me lines on my body. So I don't even know why I still kept it here. I think I kept it here in case I need to brush jeans or bag. Yeah, because that's the only thing it's good for, not for human skin. Another spaghetti top. Yeah. Another top. These are stay at home tops. A hat, yeah. If I'm not wearing my scarf, I can don my hat. When I'm going to the site. Rocky. This one is shampoo. This one is anti-mosquito spray. It's not yet expired. To expire 8th of August this year. So I can still use it because that black mosquito that is always biting me at the side. And this one is, yeah, it's for pains, yeah. Then this one is shower cap. I don't know when I still had hair, because now I just pour water on my hair every time I'm bathing. So it's my shower cap.
What was the one they call net?
Net. I don't wear that one.
That one.
This one is another casual top. And this is nail polish remover for finger. No, that's not for finger. And this is a gift from Auntie that I left here. Yeah, the gift from my husband's cousin's wife. Then this bracelet or bangle. And that's it. My bag. Where's my bag? So what do you think? Do you keep things all over the place? Like I have things in the village, I have things in Lagos. Everywhere I go, I leave traces of my movement. Flo was here. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. What's in my village bag? What's in my village bag? This is my Adiboroja wig. One wig. Hey. Bye bye. See you soon.